Hello, this is a Magic Micro custom build review and unboxing. I basically already deboxed it and I've installed the software already, but we're going to basically run through it and see what was installed. And at the end, I'm going to put a bunch of description in the description, a bunch of links on what was inside the computer. Alright, the case is a Sentey series, which is right here. It's got the digital display, which we'll see when we turn it on. Here's the case. It's got a 120mm fan here, two of the 80mm there, and one 20mm there. Here's the back of the CPU. Alright, and now we're gonna open it up. Alright, because this case has two fans in the side, it is attached right there. And we're going to take that off so we can open the side. There we go. Alright. Whenever I bought the case, and whenever I bought the pre-build, it did not have the hard drive or the optical drive. I installed those myself, but I did get everything else. This is a Radeon R7 240 2 gig quad head, and they are CrossFire compatible, and from what I'm told, they have an internal CrossFire, so they do not need the band. Okay, it does have 8 gig of 2133 high performance memory, and what these are memory coolers. I've took those out and actually looked at them, and these are coolers for the memory bars. Now this is the master cooler, GeminII 4. Whenever I ordered this, I ordered a different one. I ordered the Coolermaster 212, and it actually came out with a big old thing about this big or whatever, but I guess it didn't fit in the case, and this was actually $10 more, and they upgraded me for free. So basically, I ordered these two, the motherboard, the RAM, the cooler itself, and that's a AMD A8-6600k processor in there. And these two fans came standard, along with the case standard. Alright, so we're going to put this together, and we're going to turn it on, and we're going to get some video that way.